There's so freaking many. Holy crap, look at that. That is insane. That is a ton of fish. Look at that. There's fish everywhere. That's insane. Well, there's still some open water here at Huntington. We're gonna drive down by the dam there and see if there's any safe ice. Cross our fingers. We'll see. We've got some good ice here. Good safe ice, so. Yeah, we got a good like 3 or 4 inches of ice, so it's gonna be a good day. Okay, let's see how deep these holes are. Okay, you got 17 feet on that one, 15.5 on that one, 12.5 on that one. What are you? 9.2. Yeah, that's what we want right there. 4 down there right now. 4 or 5. Holy crap. Come on. Holy crap, look at all those fish. Oh! There we go. Got the small one. Oh! If he's the small one, I want to catch those big ones. Holy crap. Oh, come on. Oh, alright, he's off. Come here. He's a chunk. Holy crap, he's fat. Oh, he's got a weird old fin, that's why. Look at that, he's all stunted in the back. Beautiful. Beautiful fish right there. Alright, we'll let you go. See ya. Oh, sweet. Alright, let's get back down. Those are some big fish down there. Holy crap. Now we have a good little size reference to go off of. Oh, here we go. Little guys, I don't want them. Get out of here. Go on, get. Oh, look at all of them though. Holy crap. I don't want them though. Come on, stay off my hook. Holy crap, look at all of them. No, he has it, Get off. Let go. Let go. Let go. Okay. Oh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh no. Son of a. Come on. Come back. Where you at? Come on. Get it. There we go, baby. It's a good sized one. Oh, yeah. Look at that big old boy. That's sick. Oh, there we go. Beautiful splake there. Look at that. Okay. Let's get him back. Give him some air there. See ya. Oh, sick. So sick. Let's see if we can make a live well. If we can get a live well going, kind of keep these fish lively while I set up some cameras and stuff, take some pictures. Yeah, so there's splake and tiger trout in here. So, pretty cool variety of fish. Okay. Got a little live well now. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Ooh, ooh. Oh, he tapped it. Come on. Come on. Oh, oh! Freaking, he had it. Frick. Come on. There we go, baby. Yeah. Oh, look at him. Big old splake, I think. He'll quit moving. Oh. Okay, he's unhooked. Oh, beautiful fish. Let's get him. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, let's get him in the live well. Boom. Got him in the live well. It's not super deep, but you can at least breathe a little bit. And then let's get a camera ready. Take a few pictures here. Fish health is super important. Definitely number one priority. So definitely just keep your fish nice and healthy, and we'll be good. Alrighty, guys. Beautiful splake here. Show them off a little bit. Nice colored up fins. Yeah, super pretty fish. Beautiful fish here. Let's get him back. See ya. Awesome. Alright, I got this spoon from Do Life Outdoors. I actually partnered up with him. Use the code SBO 15 for 15% off your order. But yeah, the fire spoon. We're gonna give that a shot right now. Oh, yeah, got a bunch of fish on it already. Come on. I don't want those big ones to come by. There we go. Just a little guy, a really little guy. Holy crap. Stop moving. Alright, alright, alright. Alright. Tiny little guy. Going back. Drop him back down. Start recording. Ooh, there's a bigger one. Yeah, there's some bigger ones. Come on. Come on. I don't want that big tiger to hit me. Come on. Yeah, come on, come on. Oh, no! He went for it, dang it. Oh, oh, okay, I had one. Missed him again, though. There's so freaking many. Holy crap, look at that. That is insane. That is a ton of fish. Oh, missed him. Yeah, I want that bigger one. Come on. Holy smokes. That is a... Oh, I want him. Yeah, I want a big fish like that. Look at that. There's fish everywhere. That's insane. Come on. Hit me. Oh, okay. One hit, but missed. Yeah. Come on. There we go. Ooh, it's a big one. No, he came off. Dang it. I got caught on my deucer. Dang it. He was a good one. Oh, that sucks. Alright, we're good. We're back in business. Oh, they're still down there waiting for me. a big one. Come on. It's a big one. Come on. Oh no, that was a good one. Oh. No, I missed him. No! Keep missing. Okay, got him. Little guy. Oh, stop moving, buddy. Oh yeah, we got him good. Alright, little guy, head and going back. Drop back down. There we go. That's what I want. Oh, you bugger, come on. Come on. Come on, come get it. Oh, did my bait fall off? Yeah, I need some worms or something. I didn't bring any, unfortunately. I think a tube jig would be really good right now because they're being super aggressive with movement. The more more aggressive I move it, the more riled up they get. There we go. There's a good one here. Look at him fight under the ice. That's super cool. Look at him right there. I'll just let him fight because it's kind of cool. Alright, let's get him up. That's a good one. It's a really good one. Wow. That's a pretty looking fish right there. Great looking splake. Let's get him in the live well. Let him breathe while I set up the cameras and everything. Oh, buddy, yeah, see? This keeps him nice and healthy. Just... Okay. Beautiful, beautiful splake there. Pretty fins. Cool. Alrighty. Beautiful, good sized splake there. We'll see you, buddy. Awesome. Yeah, splake is a hybrid between a lake trout and a brook trout. Yeah, that's what it is. So awesome. Let's get back down. Hands are freezing, but gotta keep going. Okay, we've gotten some on the dinner bell. Got some on the Do Life Outdoors spoon. Let's try a tube jig now. This should be fire. I'm using the Frostbite Smoke Show, which is a 37-inch, 37-inch medium light rod. So I like my longer rods there. 37 inches, a little bit longer than other ice rods, and I love it. Longer rod helps me to fight the fish. And this is the Vanta Black series, which is super cool because it has the titanium guides. I can bend those all the way back, every single one of them, and flick the ice right off. So that's super nice. Yeah, see, that tube jig has a lot of action. So I can bounce it right in the ground, right in the mud too. Yeah, this will be great. This will be great. Oh, there's a fish, there's a fish. There we go. Come on. Oh, it ripped it right out of his mouth. Come on, take it by the hook. Nope, didn't have the hook. Nope. He's got it by the head. Come on, grab the hook. Yeah, doesn't have it by the hook. Oh, he grabbed it by the head. Okay, we're just gonna feed it to him then.
Oh, I can see him.
Yeah, we're just feeding it to him until he gets it down. He still has it, and no, he didn't have it all the way still. Gosh dang. Oh yeah, we can sight fish him. Look at this. Oh, this is sick. Okay. I know I could downsize, and that way they could actually get the whole tube jig in their mouth, but there are some really, really big tiger trout in here, and if one of those comes by, I want to be prepared for that, you know. Nope, didn't have it all the way either. Ooh, 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 that's a big fish. Come on. Oh, you little sucker, that's a big one, dude. That's a big fish. Ooh. Oh, I missed him. Dang it. Come on. Dang it. Oh, he's back. There we go, baby. That's a good one. That's a better one. Oh, that's a really good one. Oh, look at that tiger trout, guys. Holy crap, I've been coaxing him for so long. Holy crap. That's a great one. That's a good one right there. Okay. Let's get him in the live whale real fast. Clean it up. Got some surface ice on there. Okay. Let him breathe through his thing. Look at the colors on that guy. Holy crap. Yeah. Pretty tiger trout there. Look at that. Beautiful tiger trout. See you, buddy. Oh, that's awesome. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, I know you'll like these ones as well. But please like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.